I am Tushar Makkar. I am currently working as software development engineer at Codenation.
Tushar, can you briefly describe to us Codenation in your own words?
So yeah, Codenation is a software-based company based out of Bangalore, and we work on tools that analyze code.
Are there ways in which we can see the presence of Codenation in day-to-day things around us?
So I think you might have heard about Heartbleed bug. So it came in OpenSSL. So it led to a lot of data getting leaked, and which led to like losses in millions and billions. So what essentially we will do is like whenever a company approaches us with their source code, we will tell them that these all places are the places where heartbeat bug can occur. Or like similarly, and other security vulnerabilities, we will pinpoint those security vulnerabilities, which in turn would they can correct easily, and which would save their basically company from getting wrecked or something like that.
Tushar, how is Codenation better than its competitors from your point of view?
So currently we are working on a lot of new innovative projects, and they are like those are the projects which currently no one in the world has even tried to do that. And from that perspective, uh, if we integrate those projects, we are like the best in this field, in this domain.
Tushar, tell us about the technologies that Codenation is working on.
So we are working on currently a lot of different technologies, and our stack is currently very large. And so from backend we are working in mostly in Java and Python. And for infrastructure perspective, we are working on AWS, Vue, EC2, EB, SQS, S3, etc. Lambda functions. And from front-end perspective, we use HTML, CSS, SASS, and AngularJS. Yeah.
What is the exposure that you get at Codenation outside of your work routine?
So there is a basically routine or like boot camp known as Coordination University. For that, we are taken to Dubai for 3 months, and so during the weekends in Dubai, we are taken out to basically travel and find basically roam around different places. Like we went to Aquaventure, Atlantis, and Wild Wadi, Abu Dhabi Ferrari World. So we basically traveled a lot in that basically place. And after that, after like 3 months, so based on our performance in that Coordination University, it's either a success or a failure. So last time we had a success, and we were taken to Hong Kong and Macau for like as like an after party for Coordination University, like passing the Coordination boot camp. And yeah, and besides that, there are like regular like we like this December we were taken to Dandeli as a part of a team outing kind of thing. Yeah, that's mostly it.
Codenation interact with students currently in college.
So Coordination conducts programming competition on a Codehagon, and based on like your performance, you are given prize money and opportunity to intern at Coordination, and as well as like to join full time at Coordination. Besides that, it also recruits people, like it provides winter internship, 6 months internship, and summer internship. Yeah, these are the-
Tushar Makkar, tell us about the work culture and work environment at Codenation.
Let's classify it into two different phases. So one is like during Coordination University, that is in Dubai, and after Coordination University. So during Coordination University, the working hours were extremely high. That is around 16 hours, and I'm not kidding. It's actually 16 hours, and probably even greater than that. So you need to work a lot there, and corresponding to it, the work pressure was extremely high at that time. So actually, the Coordination University is made to like extract out the maximum during a given time. So it was expected during that time. And after Coordination University, like the work hours are comparatively lesser, and the pressure is also less. So like we get weekends off during this time. During Coordination University, it was like you have to sometimes work on weekends also, and work pressure is also like comparatively less as compared to the Coordination University. Although we have weekly sprint, we have to give demo weekly, but it's comparatively manageable. And from relationships perspective, like the company has a flat hierarchy. We can approach our manager or mentor anytime we want. So it's like a very good point. Like you get to learn from a very good people. The work environment is decent. So we have a foosball table, and besides that we have a pantry house which remains full most of the time. There we have like basic Lays, Kurkure, chocolates, etc. And it also provides us lunch.